We in the sunshine state where we walk by envy. Road for plenty. Green, blame, money making machines on the green. The thing is making rap tunes. Tattoos.
Okay.
The vibe of the ride. So good. Feel the same way. California, yeah. All I want to tell off, man. California. City of Captain, keeping rocking, we keep it rocking. Come on, shaking baby.
Yeah, well, no,
shaking, oh yeah, well I call it, but chicken, California dreaming about the scene and where the stuff is screaming. The money for the life of the West Side. It's all good. Body. Let's ride. We all the schools.
Why? If we open our CES, but
so
we're in New York.
With the bro man. It's West Side. With the moment, what do you say? And give me that boom beat from Dread. Let me serve it the street of LA. See that? City of
Everyone gonna promise land. It's not boom boom. Someone. It's not gonna record no.
Shake, baby.
Chicken and grow.
Checking, baby.
Chicken and grow.
Cali.
If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from, and in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo maka the book Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie Ezanumba the First, Metal of Ebona the 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or at Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi. You go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp 080-6579-6599.